Hello, my 6th grade math students. I want to quickly go through how to do today's homework assignment as a quick review of how to find the surface area of a pyramid. So first question, we have to find the surface area of the pyramid, and it says the side lengths of the base are equal. That means my bottom is a square. So to find the area of the square, I just do 7 times 7, and that's 49. Now, to find the area of the side, you see that the side is in the shape of a triangle. The formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So my base here is 7, my height here is 5, and then I divide that by 2, which gives me 17.5. That means each of those 4 triangles going around is also 17.5, so I just multiply 17.5 times 4, and that gives me 70. So then to find the total surface area, I just have to add the bottom, 49, plus the side, 70, and that gives me 119 square inches. Next one says find the surface area of the pyramid. The side lengths of the base are equal. So again, my bottom would be 12 times 12 because that bottom is a square, which is 144. My side triangle would be base times height divided by 2. So 12 times 17 divided by 2 gives me 102. That means each of those 4 triangles is 102. So 102 times 4 gives me 408. So I add the bottom plus the side, and I get the surface area of 552 square centimeters. This one is a little bit tricky. We have a triangular pyramid here. That means my bottom is a triangle. So base times height divided by 2 gives me 27.6. Now my side triangles are still triangles, so 8 times 14 divided by 2 gives me 56. But because this is a triangular pyramid, I only have 3 triangles going around, so I just multiply 56 times 3 and I get 168. Then I just add my bottom plus my side measurements and I get 195.6. Next one says a paperweight is shaped like a triangular pyramid. The base is an equilateral triangle. Find the surface area of the paperweight. So first, let's start with the bottom. We have a base here of 2 and a height of 1.7. So 2 times 1.7 divided by 2 is just 1.7. Now my side triangles have a base of 2, a height of 2.2, and of course that has to be divided by 2, which means the area of this first triangle here is 2.2. Now because it's a triangular pyramid, that means there's 3 of those going around, so I multiply that by 3, and that gives me 6.6. So the bottom plus the sides gives me 8.3 square inches for the surface area. Last question. A hanging light cover made of a glass is shaped like a square pyramid. The cover does not have a bottom. 1 square foot of glass weighs 2.45 pounds. The chain can support 35 pounds. Will the chain support the light cover? Explain. So first thing, I don't have to worry about the bottom for this one. I just have to worry about these side triangles, and there's 4 of those going around. So base times height divided by 2 gives me 2. But there's 4 triangles going around, so I times that by 4, which gives me total amount of glass is 8 feet squared. Now, 1 square foot of glass weighs 2.45 pounds, so I multiply 8 times 2.45 pounds, and that means the weight of the glass on this chandelier is 19.6 pounds. Now, the chain will support the light cover because 19.6 is less than the limit for the 35 pounds of the chain. Thanks for watching.